Yes, I know I look very rough. And so does my house right now. I got literally Santa's workshop going on. Long time no vlog. It's been a while since I ever vlogged anything, and I know I look crazy starting off, but I am about to do my hair, and I just was like, you know, I should just pick up the camera and start vlogging since I can't have any crafty things to do in the next 2 weeks, because the next 2 weeks is going to be Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving festivities along with traveling. I will not be filming my child, you know, because I'm against child exploitation, but I will be filming what I'm doing. So today we have to run some errands after I do my hair, and we have to, I said run errands. I might pick up my cousins from school, and we're traveling out of town tonight to go to Arkansas, which I can say that because I know we'll be out of Arkansas by the time y'all see this, but we'll be visiting family up in Arkansas because we have like a family Thanksgiving a week before Thanksgiving, but then we go back to Arkansas the weekend after Thanksgiving, which is probably when y'all are going to see this, or y'all probably going to see this probably in December. So who knows, but we were very busy, and then we come back into town after we go to Arkansas, and we stay in town for like a few days, and then we go back out of town, and then we come back in town for a few days, and then we leave our daughter with Josh's parents. Oh my gosh, why are you putting lip gloss right there? My daughter's putting lip gloss on her eyes. That might be trending when you get older, but we're not gonna start it now. But yeah, a lot of traveling. And this, I don't think I've ever vlogged on this camera. I think I've only done sit down videos with this camera. So this camera is kind of heavy, but we're gonna get started on doing my hair. Wow, already sucking at vlogging. We're done now, and okay, that's better. And right now I am fixing lunch. I hope my face doesn't look orange. Is that better? Does it look orange? I think it's just the lighting in here. Everything is orange. This room is a little bit more blue. Maybe it's the white balance. I don't know. Why does everything look orange? Okay, that looks a lot better. I am not orange. I was like, why am I so orange? I know I'm not. I know I'm not orange, but put the Scentsy back down, please. Lord. Hey, give me the Scentsy. Thank you. Oh, but the living room is still a mess. The kitchen, oh, we're still low. The kitchen is clean-ish, but we have stuff for lunch and everything packed over here. So that's what I'm doing right now. We're gonna eat lunch and then go to the store. So I'll see y'all when we get back home. I'll show y'all, I guess, everything that we get from the store, even though it's gonna be dog food, snacks, and stuff like that. But I'll show you the snacks and the things that I bought. I'm gonna look for a turtleneck. I might film stuff as I'm out and about on my phone, because I've gotten good about putting everything on an SD card, or not an SD card, but like, what's that thing called? It's an external hard drive, and it has like 2 terabytes. So every time I do a video or have a video idea, I've been good about putting everything in a folder for a certain video and being more organized in that way. So again, no crafting for the next 2 weeks, so I have to, of course, film something for y'all, even though some of it might be cleaning. I don't know, but I will put some family outing stuff. I just won't be filming any kids because we're against that in this channel. So I hope everybody likes my straight hair too. Here, like these two still have blonde in it. Like you can tell it's a little bit lighter, but I'm also trying to like just go natural and just letting my grays take over because I think it looks cool so far how it's coming in. So yeah. But anyways, back to my tacos. What do you want on your tacos? Huh? Of course, you want tacos on your tacos, but what do you want on it? You want meat? You want cheese? Dinosaur meat? Okay, I'll put dinosaur meat on it. Okay, so obviously I have not updated y'all. I am in my camper. It's pretty much this is it. The only thing that y'all can't see is the bed, and y'all are sitting on like a little, let me just show y'all before it gets too crazy in here. But this is a camper. If y'all are new, we just bought this. We haven't had this for long, literally for like 2 or 3 months. So for all my newbies, this is, you're watching this brand new with all the old OG subscribers. So this is our camper. I don't know how many feet. I'm pretty sure it's like a 30-foot camper, if not 25 feet. And that's the bed. And that's the thing I had y'all on. And when you turn around, there's a dining room. If y'all can see, dining room, but the TV is too big to put in the corner, so we put it on top of this, which is all my husband's stuff. And that's the dinner area or eating area, I guess. And then kitchen slash cooking, and then the bathroom. And the bathroom's pretty decent. Okay, yeah, the toilet's closed. But yeah, it stays dark in here. But normally we have this switch on, which doesn't do much, but toilet, sink, and then it has a bathtub with that, and it has a very spacious closet that I love. Sorry, I had Burger King, or not Burger King, I had McDonald's. I'm a little gassy, but I did not show y'all my outfit. I'll put up a picture right here, but I'll probably do another video sometime showing y'all my outfit for Thanksgiving because it's actually really cute. Got it at Walmart, and the whole outfit cost about, okay, maybe about 45-50 bucks for the whole outfit, entire outfit. And it's an outfit, or for me it's an outfit. It's a good outfit, but you know, for some of y'all it's probably gonna be anticlimactic. It's not like Chanel or anything like that. It's just a nice Walmart styled outfit that's actually pretty well, to me it's inexpensive. $45 for a whole outfit. Yeah. And then I got this skirt from the junior size and just got it extra large, and it fits. It's stretchy. It's perfect for Thanksgiving. It's like comfy for Thanksgiving, but it looks nice. So yeah, but this is the camper. Ellie's playing with her cousin Aliana in the camp. And yeah, there's like a little breaker box, and Josh's parents are right next to us in their camper. And then we have our camper. And then there's the camp. So if y'all are one of my OG people, you've seen the camp multiple times. We come here every single year for hunting season. So for the last 5 years, 6 years. So yeah. But yeah, right now I'm just unpacking, so we'll just time lapse that. Alright, and just in case it didn't, you know, what is it? I'm sorry. Just in case the time lapse was too fast, this is what the bed looks like. Yes, it's not pretty. We're only going to be here for one night, so we're literally staying tonight and leaving tomorrow. So Ellie's bed down here, it has a mattress topper, and she does perfect down here by herself. And then me and Josh sleep up there. I sleep on this side, he sleeps on that side. And we use different comforters. I think it's called the Scandinavian sleep method, but I highly recommend it year round. I think normally people do it for the cold. You have 2 separate blankets so both people are warm, but we sleep like this year round. And then I got the TV set up. So about to go get Ellie and try to get her to go to bed. And this is the aftermath of last night. So we slept really good. Ellie slept good. She played with her dinosaurs this morning. And yeah, let's put on some makeup because we're meeting parts of the family that we haven't really seen in a while. So yeah, let me at least put on some eyebrows and stuff. Okay. They're bad. I have to make this just a quick one or just not at all. Oh, okay, we got eyebrow stuff at least. Yeah, I'm gonna need a mirror. I'll just check back in with y'all when I'm done. Okay, and this is the look for the day. This is all we're doing. Also, I've been growing out my grays, and I honestly like it. Like, I like it because, you know, the platinum blonde stuff is in, and it looks like highlights. And so I'm like, you know what? This is free. This is free platinum blonde. Women pay a lot of money to get their hair this light, and for it to be two-toned, really dark and really light. So I feel like I'm going to keep it, let it grow out, see what it does. So, yeah, but that's the makeup for the day. And honestly, I just wiped off my face last night with baby wipes. I feel like there's still like some lingering foundation, but as long as my face looks nice and brand new, I look like bright-eyed and bushy-tailed for some weird reason. I'm like super tired. Plus I woke up early this morning, so. But we should be going to Josh's uncle's house very soon. I think they're probably waiting on me to get ready, which I'm done ready. And I need to put this little Minnie Mouse. I have this little Minnie Mouse sweatshirt for Ellie. She got it last year for Christmas. And my family always like does it for like the next winter. Like they size her up. But it has like ears and a little bow on the hoodie. So that's what she's wearing today. I thought it was cute. So yeah. I don't know if I'm going to film there, but I might take pictures for myself of my daughter. But I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so it's pretty much end of the day. We spent most of the day with Josh's family, and it was pretty fun. And I cleaned up the camper as much as I could. We put the foam back right here. It was on this bed that Ellie sleeps on. So it was just, like I said, it was like just a day trip. So, or I say just a day trip, more like a 24-hour trip. So Josh is sleeping, or not sleeping, he is hunting right now, and while I waited for him to get out, I packed everything up. So now we're just gonna have s'mores, and I'm gonna film us by the fire, and that's where the kids are right now. They're eating dinner by the fire, but of course we're gonna stop by like McDonald's or something to kind of like get them like a little bit of like a snack on the road, and that way they can get their tummies full, go to sleep on the road. But they're excited to go back home. They had a fun day today playing with all their cousins. Ellie met some cousins that I don't think we've ever really met before. Like, we meet online and stuff, like we know them from Facebook, but we finally got to meet them, so it was nice to meet everybody. But I'm like, okay, first things done for the Thanksgiving holidays. Now we got 4 more things to do. I have to go do my family's Thanksgiving. I think I don't know if we're doing my mom's dad's side's Thanksgiving, but we're doing my mom's brother's side, which that's what my mom's side of the family does. We go over to my great uncle's house, and then, which is like my grandmother's brother, and we do everything all together there because my great grandmother, Ellie's great grandmother, my great grandmother, goes, like, we just go wherever she goes, and that's where she is. So that's where we're going. And then after that we come back here, sleep in the camper for, I don't know if we're coming back Saturday or Sunday, but the weekend after Thanksgiving we're coming back here, driving Friday with Josh's mom, and then we're driving back home I think Sunday, but we might drive back Saturday, but I think it was Sunday, and then spend a few days at the house. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. In the truck with some popcorn, about to leave and go home.